Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tex Domain. In this video, we are going to show you how we can use the Linux command ls on Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or 10. So let's get started. Basically, ls is a Linux command which can be abbreviated as list. A similar command called dir is given in Windows. Some people like hackers, coders or programmers would feel that it is much more comfortable than dir because they may use Linux or Linux based operating systems. There is already an app called ls for Windows 10 on the Microsoft Store, but the apps from Microsoft Store are not fast enough. So in this method there won't be any installation of any app. So first we need to create a folder anywhere on the computer. We can create a folder by pressing Ctrl Shift N on Windows. Let me give this a name of shortcuts and open it. Now I am going to create a new item. Now select text document. Now we need to rename it as ls.bat. Click yes. Now you can right click that file and click edit. Then type here dir %1 and Ctrl S to save it and close it. You can search by pressing Start S. We need to search for Advanced System Settings. After that, we need to press Environment Variables, scroll down, click Path, Edit, New. Then we need to copy the directory, click New, paste it, OK, OK, and OK. Now when we run our command prompt and you type ls, it will work at dir, and when you pass any arguments over it, they will also be passed to dir. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Tex Domain.